Hey, to set up Google Assistant or Gemini on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, first of all, you have to grab your phone and go to the Google Play Store, where you have to check for the latest updates of Google application. That's the essential to let it work. So go for this application, make sure that you got updated, and also go to the Google Assistant. So input that phrase over here. And also you have to just simply install that on your phone. If you already got it on your phone, make sure that it is updated to the latest version. Now you have to go into the Galaxy Wearable application. You have to scroll to the watch settings. Now you will have to go for Google and select Digital Assistant. Now just wait a little bit. Now we have to set it up by clicking over here. Now we get some information about partners and services. We have to click next, and we can also use Hey Google. So we have to click I agree. We have to click I agree in the right bottom corner. And now you can talk with your assistant by clicking on the home button, clicking and holding the home button. So I have to click next, and my assistant is set up because I already was using the Google Assistant and the Hey Google on this specific Google account. If you create a new Google account, you will get the circle and you have to repeat some phrases that will be shown on the screen. So that's basically it. Now if I'm gonna click and hold it, as you can see, it's not working because we have to also make some another changes. So we have to go to the buttons and the gestures, go to the double press and go for assistant. Now, I mean like this one, we have to go for this one and select long press. There we go. Now when I'm gonna long press on the button, as you can see, the Google Assistant pop up and we can just simply speak with it. So that's basically it.